Ayun, hindi na talaga ako mapapakinabangan, friends, kasi inaantok na ako. Punta na kami sa platform number 2 para sa aming train to Tanja. It's a 2-hour train ride from Casa to Tanja. Goodbye, Casa.
Actually, babe, gusto ko din magsuot ng ganito.
Gusto ko.
Tapos punta tayo sa mga kaso.
Iyan na pala yung train natin. Bullet train to, no, Ben, no? Mas mabilis din sa sinakyan natin kanina. Tsaka sana mas maayos ng konti. So, Juan? Hirap na hirap naman to si ate. Diyos ko. Ano tayo? 82?
No one. No one.
Ito. Ay. Ito. Okay, go.
Saan ka dito ka? At doon papunta eh.
Kahit saan. Saan mo gusto? Ikaw ang masunod. Okay ka na dyan?
Mag-video ka kasi eh.
Hindi. Doesn't matter ako. Okay. May maganda ang first class nila.
감사합니다.
Wait
No, wala
lang.
감사합니다.
Meron silang cafeteria doon.
Talaga? Okay, friends.
Kasi sa baba.
Ayoko. Dito na lang ako. Yun lang, di ko siya. Doon kaya, kaso baka bitbitin.
Kasi may personal ano ka dyan. Hindi naman.
Ha?
Pero pag wala naman yung mga wallet mo dyan.
Nandito.
Yan, pwede na. Pwede na.
Borkoti. Try ko. Kaso si ate kasi ano siya eh, aligaga. Di niya alam kung anong gagawin niya sa buhay niya. Alam kaya niya na nandito siya sa Morocco. Charay. Hindi talaga kasha.
Kasi
Hindi kasha, besh. Lalagay ko dun. Borkot?
Saan?
Hindi. Pwede naman to dito. Para ganyan. Oo. Or sa baba. Si ate. Nakita niyo ba si ate? Hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. Ano na ate? Tulungan ko ba, friends? Friends, wala na akong pakinabang. Matutulog muna ako, ha? Kasi wala na. Wala na talagang lakas na naiwan sa akin. Okay? Bye! Itong si Nashi ay gusto daw kumain ng noodles. Nasa coach number 4. Yung kanilang cafeteria.
May dalawa pang station na nataanan natin.
Diyos ko, baka nakawin yung mga gamit natin. Ang malapit, ang layo-layo. Lahat pala may taas, no? Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Makapag-noodles na. Ay, ano ba? Ito na siya. Ito na. Ayun. Ito pala yung cafeteria nila. Kain tayo. So, ayun. Oo nga. Magtatrabaho siya, hindi siya pwede kumain. Mamaya pa break niya. Walang noodles dito. Ano to? Ano? PNR? Charay! Oh, magkano? Ang mahal. Mini sandwich duo is 29. Mini sandwich,
20
na chicken sandwich, 50. Ano? Yung pinakamahal.
For chicken, sir. Which one?
Thank you. Hindi kasi ako nagugutom. Ito lang talaga, ano siya. Bibili ka nga. Alam mo, sayang lang. Huwag ka munang kumain para mamaya gutom na gutom tayo. Diba? So yun, order siya. Order siya ng food. Gugutom daw siya. Kailangan kong matulog, friends. Otherwise, yung day 1, magkakaproblema. Yung scenery nila ganito, wait. Tingnan niyo. Ayan, ganyan. Farmlands. Ito yung farmlands. Pupunta tayo ng Tanja. Pag local, ang tawag nila Tanja. Pero pag English, Tangier. Kasi yung spelling niya, Tangier. So you'll hear a lot of Tanjas from me. Pero local tayo. Tanja. Kasi siya. Charik. Sabi niya daano. I'll get the Pringles and the ano. Totoo yan, Hans. The ano. The ano. Palayasin mo si ate. Dito nakatayo tayo. Kaso pag nandun, nakaupo tayo. Tsaka hihingan ka ng mga bata. Sorry. Ubusin ng mga bata. Ang dami pa namang batang nakaupo dito sa tabi namin. Baka kunin lahat ng Pringles niya. Buksan natin yung Pringles niya. Total pahinadora siya, di ba? Gusto niya mag-ano. Ayan, sumama ka dito sa vlog. Total wala si Chrissy. Hi, Chrissy. Sana nandito ka. I'm sure.
Hi, friends!
I'm sure ayaw mo na maglakad. Pagod ka na agad. Friends, ayaw gumana nung ano namin, SIM card namin. Paano gagawin namin? Ano gagawin natin? Bibili tayo ng bagong SIM card?
Mamaya okay
Kaya na
lang.
kami, ha? Masyadong tao. So, ilang stops to, be?
Dalawa.
2 stops.
Rabat and...
Rabat? Dadaan tayong Rabat? Ay, social, dadaan pala. Rabat is the capital of Morocco, ha?
It's 1 hour from Tangier.
Okay. Sarap. Magkano to? 25? Ayan, wag na real. Pumunta tayo ng ano, ha? Ng Marjan. Yung supermarket nila. Tingin tayo doon. Bili tayo ng mga kung ano-ano doon. Tapos na po kaming kumain. Siya pala. Ay, ano to? Balik-balik na tayo sa kuha natin. Nasa taas po kami, ha? Taas. Parang 2 floors.
So, bigat.
Oo. Lock na. Ngayon ako nakita Kinitra, transfer to Kinitra sa ticket. Welcome to Tanja. Welcome to Tanjaville. Charing. Ito na nga. Ito na. Hi, friends! Mga friends ko, oh. Dito na po tayo sa Tanja. Ayun na, oh. Lock na. Malapit lang naman yung ano natin dito, no? Airbnb natin. Dami palang tao. Dami sakay, ah. Mga turista kaya lahat yan. Oh. Ay, ito, oh, hello po. Anyways, babalikan ko kayo mamaya kasi hindi mapakali si Hans eh. Daming tao po, oh. Kita niyo po ba yan? Oh. Malala. Char. Daming tao, friends, oh. Oh. Diba? Wow, ganda. Ano yung station nila, ha? Ano ba yun? Ba't ganun yung tunog? Ayan, friends, oh. Orange tea. Liga dito. Sigurado ka may signal ka na kasi yun yung ano, oh. Yung internet. Bibili talaga akong SIM card dyan. Hindi ko pa na nakausap si ate kanina sa... Yung na-meet natin kabayan sa hotel. Oo, nag-hi siya. Buti pa siya nag-hi. Ay, ito pala mga kailangan kong bilhin, ha. Postcards, ganon. Oh. Ito na yung mga flight attendant ng train. Pharmacy. Bakit sarado yung pharmacy? Ah, daming tao, besh! Bakit kaya? Weekend ba ngayon? Weekend, no? Weekend din, no? Wala, pangarap ko talagang magsuot ng ganyan, besh. Saan tayo bibili ng ganyan? Ayan, mahirap. Bakit ang daming flight attendant ng train? Ayun. Ito may money change pala dito, oh. Okay, so maghahanap muna kami, friends, ng... Ay, magta-taxi tayo papuntang Airbnb. Tapos mag-check-in. Hindi, so ngayon ang gagawin mo...
10 minutes? 10
Hindi. Mag-ano ka ng taxi. Tapos tingnan mo kung ilang, halika. Ayun yung police. Baka hulihin ako. Sorry. Wait lang, go. We're lost. Ito na talaga yung kapitbahay natin, Mami. So, nandito po kami ngayon sa Kawalan. Baka feeling ko ito, no? Balikan namin kayo pag naka-check-in na kami sa Airbnb. Welcome to our home here in Tanja. Ayan, dito po tayo ngayon. Papasok. There's a small kitchen here na walang ilaw. Yes, there's ilaw. Then there's a powder room. Ayan. Tapos, ito na yung living area niya with a TV. Okay. Tapos, loft type siya kasi dahil ito na lang yung nakuha ni Hansi. Doon siya sa taas, dito ako sa baba. Pero, tingnan natin yung taas, okay? Ayan, akyat tayo. Medyo ano pala dito, delikado. Hi, friends! Welcome to Tanja! Oh, ito yung ano, may baby cot din. Yes, kuya. Bumubusina ka. Ano yan? Ba't nakabukas yung bintana tapos naka-AC? Sa baba. Ito yung ano. May TV ka rin dito. Yan. Dito ako makikiligo. Ay, may bathtub! Oh, lak na. Lak na talaga. Pero dito wala kang bidet. May bidet sa baba. Sa baba. Lalagay ko dyan yung presyo at saka yung address kung gusto nyo mag-book at pupunta kayo dito sa Morocco. Yes? Ladies and gentlemen, mag-a-unpack muna kami dahil hectic po ang schedule namin. Pero kailangan natin isara yun. Okay, friends? Ayun lang muna. Babalik kami mamaya. See ya! At dahil first day natin dito sa Tanja, we are going to explore the surroundings. Meron naman kami ginawang itinerary, kaso tingnan namin muna yung mga main tourist attractions na pwedeng puntahan dito. It's 5 o'clock, kita nyo naman. Hindi na masyadong masakit yung araw. So, tingnan natin. Lakad-lakad muna tayo dito. Say hi, Hansi! Yan. Okay, friends? Samahan nyo kami. Oh my God, yung place namin. Very on the top of the hill. Tingnan mo. Oh, ayun na yung Spain. Charing. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Nagwawala ang mga sasakyan dito. Wala silang pake. No? Barumbado yung mga drivers nila dito, friends. Doon tayo sa way na alam mo. Kasi ito medyo hindi ko kakayanin yung mataas na yon. Oh my God, senior citizen. Bawal pa mga senior citizen dito, ha? Kasi pwede naman doon kayo sa baba. Katulad nito, oh. Oh, kita nyo ba? Oh, ang hill. Diyos ko, Lord. Turista pa more. Baluarte niya to eh. Hala, Lord. Pero, di tayo hinanda sa ganito. Hoy, ang ganda nito mag-picture dito. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Oh, kita niyo architecture? Very old Andalusian Spanish keme. Hala. Mami, oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, sobrang tarik. Di tayo handa dito, friends. Buti na lang, bawal magdulas-dulas. Assalamualaikum. Pagod na ako, ayoko na. Heme, lumayo tayo sa Grand Soco, no? Pero patag lang dadaanan natin. Okay, go. Niloloko mo ba? Ayun na yung flags na gusto ko. Wait lang. Eto na. Okay na. Medyo yung patag na ulit. Hans, kailangan ko yung yung flag. Ganito, ramdam mo na agad ang local life dito. Saan tayo? Ay, pero kasi ito yung alam mo, no? Mainit pa rin pala. Dapat 6 o'clock. Ang sunset today, friends, ay 8:30 ba? Ayan, 8:20 something. Medyo napaaga yung namin. Oh my God. Walkathon pala talaga dito. Ganun talaga pag turista, di ba? Walkathon. Laban. Jewish cemetery. Hidden within Tanja's old city is a place that tells a quieter story, the Jewish Cemetery of Tanja. The Jewish community has been part of Tanja's history for centuries. After the Jews were expelled from Spain in 1492, many Sephardic Jewish families settled in Morocco, including Tanja. This old cemetery, known as the Cementerio Antiguo, was established in the late 18th century with the permission from the Sultan of Morocco. Look closely at the tombstones, and you'll find inscriptions in Hebrew, Spanish, Portuguese, and French, a reflection of Tanja's incredibly diverse and international history. The cemetery was eventually closed in 1935, and a new Jewish cemetery was established outside the city. Today, this place serves as an important reminder of the Jewish community that once played a major role in Tanja's cultural and commercial life. Because sometimes, to understand a city, you don't just look at its buildings, you remember the people who once called it home.
The entrance is free, but you'll see a donation box right at the entrance.
Hanap tayo ng date. Hindi na makita yung date, Hansi. Pero the oldest that I saw was mga 1920s eh. Ito hindi na makita. Pero mas luma to feeling ko, no?
After visiting the Jewish cemetery in Rue Portugal, I decided to continue my journey on foot, heading toward one of the most recognizable areas of Tanja, Place Avril 9, also known as Grand Soko. This was one of my favorite parts of exploring the city. There was no strict itinerary, no rushing from one attraction to another. I simply walked, taking in the streets, the buildings, the people, and the everyday rhythm of Tanja. As I got closer to Plaza Villa 9, the atmosphere gradually became livelier. This is one of the important meeting points between the modern part of Tanja and the old city. From here, you can easily enter the Medina, where the experience becomes completely different. The moment you step into the Medina, the street becomes narrower and more winding. There are small shops selling clothes, souvenirs, spices, leather goods, and all kinds of things you probably didn't plan on buying, but somehow you still end up looking at. And that's what I loved about walking around here. You don't really know what you're going to discover around the next corner. One moment you're walking through a busy little street filled with people, and suddenly you find yourself in a quiet alley, surrounded by beautiful old doors, colorful walls, and buildings that carry so much history. For me, the Medina wasn't just about seeing tourist attractions, it was about experiencing everyday Tanja. Watching locals go about their day, hearing conversations around me, seeing merchants preparing their shops, and occasionally stopping just to admire a view or take a photo. And of course, walking around the Medina also means getting a little lost. And getting lost here isn't necessarily a bad thing. Sometimes the best discoveries happen when you stop following the map and simply follow the streets. So if you're visiting Tanja, don't just rush from one landmark to another. Give yourself time to walk. Start around Place Avril 9, enter the Medina, explore the little alleys, and let Tanja reveal itself to you.
Hansi, saan mo na ba ako dinadala? Diyos ko, hindi ko na alam to kung nasa na tayo. We're so deep in the jungle. May naririnig na akong mga uwak. Grabe siya. It's a maze. I think all the Medinas are like that, no? Makikita nyo sa mga vlogs na susunod. This is just one of the Medinas that we're going to. It's a never-ending winding alleys na wala kang patutunguhan actually. Wala kang guide. Basta ikot ka lang ng ikot, sundan mo lang yung mga tao. Ganon. Makikita mo, that's the magic of the Medinas. Ano kaya yun? Ay, ang gaganda nito, oh. Sorry. 180, oh. Teka lang, be. Tama yung mga aso nila, may mga tag sa tenga. Kapag daw may mga tag, mababait daw. Pwede ipet. Tama.
Yung color, green and orange. Tapos
Pag green
black.
yung tag, pwede ipet. Pag black yung tag,
Yun yung
sila, mga demonyo sila. Nagiging vampira sila. Hindi pa naman tayo mamili kasi ang ganda dito, oh. Oh my gosh. Actually, sumusunod lang ako sa kanya. Ano to? Cosmetics naman to. Maganda ng tao rin dito. Ayan na, Diyos ko, wala ng mga tao. Public service announcement. When you're in Tanja, you'll never know kung mag-uphill ka or magda-downhill ka. Kanina okay, di ba? Uphill, akala ko tapos na. Pumantay na. Umuphill na naman kami.
As I continued walking through the Medina, I eventually reached Cafe Baba, one of the most iconic cafes in Tanja. This little cafe has been around since the 1940s and became famous as a gathering place for artists, writers, musicians, and travelers. Over the years, it has been associated with some very famous names from the international bohemian scene, including William S. Burroughs, the Rolling Stones, and of course, Anthony Bourdain. And what's interesting is that Cafe Baba doesn't look like a glamorous tourist attraction. It's actually quite small, old-fashioned, and tucked away inside the Kasbah. But that's exactly what makes it interesting. If you're visiting, don't come here expecting a fancy cafe with a spectacular interior. Come for the history, atmosphere, and a feeling that you're sitting in a place where generations of travelers have passed through. Even if you only stop for Moroccan mint tea, it's worth experiencing. From Cafe Baba, I continued exploring the Kasbah of Tanja, the historic fortified area at the highest part of the old city. The word Kasbah basically refers to a fortified district, and you can really feel that history as you walk through these narrow streets. The architecture here is beautiful. Whitewashed walls, colorful doors, small courtyards, and winding alleys that seem to be leading somewhere new every few minutes. And this is one thing I really enjoyed about Tanja. You don't necessarily need a strict itinerary. Sometimes, just walking through the alleys and following the streets is the experience. Of course, expect some uneven pavement, steep sections, and very narrow passages. Comfortable shoes are definitely a must. And because this is still a living neighborhood, remember that people actually live and work here. Be respectful when taking photos, especially around homes and locals. Every now and then, the narrow streets open up and suddenly, there's the view. From the higher parts of the Kasbah, you can see the rooftops of Tanja, the coastline, and on a clear day, the Strait of Gibraltar stretching toward the horizon. This is where I would recommend slowing down. Put the camera down for a moment, look around, and just enjoy the view. Because this isn't just sightseeing anymore. You're standing in a part of Tanja where Africa meets the Mediterranean and where Europe is just across the strait. After walking through all these alleys, discovering Cafe Baba, exploring Kasbah, and taking in those incredible views, I think this was one of those moments when I really understood why Tanja has fascinated travelers for generations. So friends, magdi-dinner kami dito sa Le Salon Bleu, Tanja. Yan. Sana lang makaupo kami ng makakuha kami ng magandang place. Ito yung kanilang menu. Pasok. Ay, bango! Hello! Ito yung kitchen nila sa baba. Na natin. Ay! Ano ba ito? Para na makapag-dinner, nakakaloka. So friends, nandito tayo sa kataas-taasan ng Le Salon Bleu. Parang ang sarap nung kinakain ni Kuya. Mag-starters na tayong ganun. No? Tsaka drinks. Tapos tagine na lang for dinner. Hi friends, this is the view. After walking around the Kasbah and exploring the narrow streets of Tanja, we eventually made our way to Le Salon Bleu. This is one of those places where the journey to get there was already part of the experience. The restaurant is tucked inside the Kasbah. What immediately caught my attention was the atmosphere. It has this beautiful traditional Moroccan character. But of course, the real highlight for us was the terrace. Once we got upstairs, we were greeted with this amazing view over Tanja. From up here, you can easily appreciate how the old city sits above the surrounding area, with the rooftops of the Medina stretching out in front of you. And then, of course, came the food. After spending the day walking around Tanja, we were more than ready for dinner. And this was actually a special food moment for me because this was my first taste of tagine in many, many years. One of the things I love about Moroccan food is that it doesn't try too hard to be complicated. You have simple ingredients, but the combination of spices, slow cooking, and the way everything comes together creates so much flavor. If you're visiting Tanja, I would definitely recommend having at least one meal inside a kasbah rather than always eating in newer parts of the city, because here, the meal becomes part of the experience. You're not just having dinner, you're sitting inside one of the oldest parts of Tanja, surrounded by the architecture and atmosphere of the old city, with these incredible views outside. So this is couscous belbola with chicken and vegetables. Tapos yan yung kanina, tatlong malalaking balawbaw ng ito. This is my first tagine in Tanja. So, we ordered the... Ay, oo nga!
Mister?
No, olives. We ordered the tasting menu. So, 5. Okay lang yun, be. 5. Ang pangalan nito, Kemias. Bakit kaya Kemias?
Do you have olives?
So, ito lang yung pwede munang orderin ngayon. Kasi, 7 o'clock sila yung kitchen nagbubukas ng 7. Well, it's 7:06 na nag-advance order na rin kami. Pero kung dadating kayo dito ng early, ang pwede nyo lang kainin at i-order ay yung mga appetizers lang. Kasi sarado yung kitchen. Di ba may bread to? Ay, baka ano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayun. It's with the bread. Thank you. Because our friend is late. So, I don't know what time he's coming. Maybe 30 minutes more. Thank you. Ang sarap.
Sarap. Paano tayo mag-picture?
Ang sarap ng olives talaga nila. Oh my God. From the Jewish cemetery into the Medina, getting lost in the little alleys, stopping at Cafe Baba, exploring the Kasbah, and sitting down at Les Salons Bleus. It was a long walk. It was a lot of steps. I wouldn't change a thing. We're doing the city tour Tanja with a red bus. Parang sira yung tiyan ko. Tapos di ko alam kung saan ako dito. Be, nawawala si kuya. Tulungan mo siya. So ayun friends, nagustuhan niyo ba yung kwento ni Hercules? Naniniwala man kayo o hindi? Ganun na yon.